Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you a comparison of Docusaurus, GitBook, and MkDocs to see if what's the best documentation tool in 2025. So let's get started. So let's start by knowing what they are. So the Docusaurus, it is a React-based static site generator, which is ideal for docs plus blogs. While the GitBook, on the other hand, it is a cloud-based or the WYG docs platform. Lastly is the MkDocs. It is a Python-based static site generator for Markdown documentations. So just a note that all three support Markdown, but vary in tech stack. So the ease of use and customization. Well, let's move forward on what they are best for. So the Docusaurus, it is best for developers, open source projects, or sites that need custom design and blog features. The GitBook, it is best for teams, technical writers, and businesses who want quick setup and collaborative editing. Lastly is the MkDocs. It is best for Python users and those who want a simple, fast static site. So you can choose based on your team's skill level, collaboration needs, and how much control you want. So now let's talk about the 2025 trends. So the Docusaurus, it is a growing in React ecosystems. The GitBook, it remains popular in the SaaS and product documentations, while the MkDocs, it is gaining traction with the material theme. So in 2025, all three tools are mature. The right choice depends more on workflow than the features. And now for our final verdict, you can pick Docusaurus if you want a fully customizable dev-friendly site, and GitBook if you want a clean UI with collaborative editing. Lastly is the MkDocs if you want fast, simple, markdown-driven docs. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!